Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Kingo. In today's video, I'll show you the best mini cordless chainsaw, a compact, powerful, and easy-to-handle companion that turns tricky cutting tasks into smooth, safe, and even enjoyable experiences. Let's get started. Product features: versatile cutting capability. This little powerhouse, with its 6-inch bar and chain, makes trimming branches, pruning shrubs, or cutting small firewood bundles feel effortless. Its compact size lets you reach tight spots easily, making everyday yard work less of a chore and more satisfying. Powerful brushless motor. The brushless motor brings extra punch, longer runtime, and consistent performance. Whether you're tackling stubborn branches or frequent cutting tasks, it keeps up with you without overheating, giving you the confidence to get the job done right. Tool-less chain tensioning. No tools? No problem. The easy tool-less chain tensioning system lets you adjust the chain in seconds. It saves you time and effort, so you can focus on your work rather than fiddling with equipment, making every session smoother. Ultra-lightweight design. Weighing just 3.4 pounds, this mini chainsaw feels like an extension of your hand. Its feather-light design reduces fatigue, allowing you to prune, trim, and cut comfortably for longer periods. Perfect for anyone who values ease alongside power. Easy-to-use operation. With a simple push-button start, you avoid gas, fumes, pull ropes, or spark plugs. It's intuitive enough for beginners, but strong enough for seasoned users, so anyone can pick it up and feel ready to work confidently within seconds. Pros: compact and versatile for trimming, pruning, and light wood cutting. Brushless motor for longer life, efficiency, and reliable power. Toolless chain tensioning for quick, hassle-free adjustments. Ultra lightweight for extended, comfortable use. Push-button start removes complex setups, gas, and fumes. Cons: limited bar length for larger trees or heavy-duty jobs. Battery life may require a spare for longer projects, not designed for thick logs or professional scale cutting. Final thoughts. The Greenworks CS24L210 Mini Cordless Chainsaw isn't just another tool. It's a friendly, dependable partner for your gardening, camping, or home projects. Compact, safe, and easy to handle, it transforms routine cutting into something surprisingly effortless and even enjoyable. Make your trimming and pruning tasks feel lighter and more comfortable. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more tools that make your everyday work simpler and more satisfying.